Hi everyone, and welcome back to Best Laid Plans. If you have been with the channel for a while, I just wanted to apologize. I really intended to restart the channel back in September. However, there is not fixed closing dates in the state that I just moved to, which I'm gonna have to do a whole video about that. I just purchased a Victorian house in New York, and I have so many updates, a lot of exciting things, some not as exciting things, but I finally have set up my office enough that I can film again, so that is what I'm doing today. I wanted to kick things right off now that we are in October by doing an October plan with me. I want to go ahead and do October at a glance in my main classic planner. I have yet to do the monthly, that'll be coming up. And this is this week so far, lots of things going on. So I am just super excited, and I absolutely adored the dark florals theme for October in this particular planner. And this planner is the Boldly Baroque one of the 18-month planners for 2024. So this is October 2024, and we are going to be doing a matching spread to this for our at a glance page. So I am going to just kind of pop this out to keep it for reference. And I'm going to take this out and we're gonna get started. So for today's plan with me, I'm on my new desk. I created a desk with cube shelves and this cherry wood tabletop, and I'm super excited to use it because it's just very convenient. I am just filming on this for the first time, so I'm like seeing things like there's a little glare here and trying to figure out what is the best way to kind of mitigate that. So if you see me messing around with things, just know it is to hopefully give you guys the best possible view of things, best possible lighting as I try to get started here in my new space. I will be matching up the florals on this using Let Love Grow and Beauty and Florals, which are the two kind of dark florals sticker books from the Happy Planner. So I pulled those. And then I wanted some sort of like naturey, but also like spooky washi. So I pulled the dark like gunmetal bats and skulls for Simply Gilded, along with the gunmetal hollow lace pattern. And then I just got this Midnight Moss washi from Simply Gilded, and if you know anything about me, you know I'm obsessed with Luna moths, so we're definitely going to use this to pull in some of those like purple, pinky, teal, rainbowy colors. So I have this set of washi, and I think, like, as you can see, it's going to complement it very well. I also pulled Imaginarium because there is one of my favorite stickers, which is of the Batgirl there. So I wanted to use these. I just thought that was super cute. I might use one of these too, we'll see, but definitely her. So I have that page marked. And then just for funsies, I pulled some of the freebies from the recent Planner Boss, I think it's Planner Boss Collective sale, PBC sale. I got stuff from the Planners World, and I also got stuff from Sugar Pop Fizz. I will be doing sort of a collective haul of that and reveal, but I went ahead and pulled these icons. These are from XO Mama Plans, and then these are the freebie from the Planners World. I just love the little illustration. I think that's so cute. So these are just some of the little icons I'm going to use for this as well, just to kind of add a little touch, and it's just super cute. So I want to go ahead and get started with washi tape first, and then we're going to move on to the large deco stickers and some of the functional stickers from these, and then add our final touches. So here we go. All right, so here is that washi spread out. I really like how it has this kind of spooky, like ghostly glow about it with the hollow. I just think it's so perfect for October. Though I want to go first into Let Love Grow, and I want to find some coordinating dark florals and add them in. Now I'm going to go into Beauty and Florals. These are more jewel tones, but there are some really good sort of darker toned florals as well as some accent stickers. So I think that's everything I'm going to use from these two. Now I'm going to go into the Imaginarium, and I am going to pull this Batgirl sticker that I love so much. Alright, I am ready to write things in. I'm just going to be using a regular, like, black ink pen that I just happen to have. All of my stuff is still being unpacked, including all my pens, so I'm just going to be using this right now. But I want to have a couple things on here, so we're going to do this for lots of mail arriving. I have mail forwarding ending. And then I've got this, and I'm also going to take this little thing that says feeling tired from this freebie, and I'm going to put it right here. And right, house project. I think the mail might actually be coming right now because my dogs are barking in the other room. And I think that's all I'm going to use from that. So those are my big three here, and then I have some things to reflect on, and then plans to write in. So we've got, I want to write some house plans in, so I've got an electrician, basement waterproofing, that's my big project, my big expensive project for this house, and then paint swatches. I'll do paint and wallpaper swatches. And we're going to do set up office and landscaping. Get new ID, register to vote. That is a big one that I'm getting ready to do here since I just moved. And then I'm going to leave these blank for right now, and I will write stuff in later for those because I just kind of want to reflect on lots of stuff going on. There are a lot of things, it's emotional and also kind of amazing at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank for now, and then I will probably add things to that page there. But this is probably the biggest of everything for October. Just the big stuff for at a glance. And I love how this turned out because it really does match that very well, and it has that deco feel that I like with my vintage stickers. So that is our plan with me for this week, and kind of a welcome back to the channel. I will be doing a new like home tour, office tour as things get set up. I'll kind of give you a sneak peek with some video here of the planner room and things like that. I also have a Hobbit kitchen, which is amazing. And then I will be back next week. I have some hauls. I have a Happy Planner fall haul. I'll have the Planner Boss collective sale haul, and then some other things going on. So stay tuned and welcome back. Have a fantastic day, and don't forget to plan a happy life and slay your day. Bye!